How to buy $HIPPO, HIPPOSWAP token crypto coin. How to buy HIPPOSWAP token, HIPPO. The HIPPOSWAP token, represented by the symbol HIPPO, is now available for purchase. Before we begin, please note that this is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial or economic expert. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or financial asset. Step 1. Understanding HIPPOSWAP token. Before buying HIPPO tokens, it's important to stay updated on its availability and relevant updates. Make sure to follow official sources for announcements regarding this token. As per the latest updates, the HIPPOSWAP token is now available on MXC exchange. If you don't have an account on MXC yet, follow the steps below to create one. Step 2. Creating an account on MXC. To buy HIPPO tokens, you need a verified MXC account. Follow these steps. Go to the MXC website. Use the referral link in the description to sign up and earn potential rewards. Register for an account. Provide the necessary details, including email and password. Verify your identity. Complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process if required. Deposit funds. Add funds to your MXC wallet using your preferred payment method, crypto deposit, bank transfer, or credit/debit card. Step 3. Buying HIPPOSWAP token, HIPPO. Once your account is ready and funded, follow these steps to buy HIPPO tokens. Log into your MXC account. Go to the HIPPO trading pair page, e.g., HIPPO/USDT or HIPPO/BTC. Select your order type. Market order buys instantly at the current market price. Limit order buys at a specific price set by you. Enter the amount of HIPPO you want to buy. Check the total cost in USDT before confirming the trade. Click on Buy HIPPOSWAP to complete the purchase. If you select market order, you can adjust the percentage of available funds you want to use to buy HIPPO tokens. Step 4. Storing your HIPPO tokens. After purchasing the HIPPO tokens, you need to decide where to store them. You can keep them on the exchange for trading or transfer them to a private wallet for security. Exchange wallet. Convenient for quick trades, but riskier due to potential exchange hacks. Software wallets. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term holding and security. Step 5. Staying updated on HIPPO token developments. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and projects often release important updates that could affect your investment. To stay informed, follow HIPPOSWAP's official social media accounts. Join their Telegram or Discord groups. Regularly check MEXC's announcements about HIPPO trading and withdrawals. Conclusion. That's a complete guide on how to buy HIPPOSWAP token, HIPPO. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto investments and new token launches. Stay tuned and happy trading!